If you're seeing AutoCAD Error 1618, don't worry. This usually means another installation or Windows installer process is already running in the background. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest and safest ways to fix it so you can get AutoCAD installed without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. First, the simplest fix is to wait a few minutes and try again. In many cases, another install is still finishing in the background, and error 1618 disappears once that process is done. If that doesn't work, restart your computer. A fresh restart can clear stuck installation tasks and reset Windows installer so you can try the setup again. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look for any processes named msiexec.exe. These are Windows installer processes, and if one is stuck, it can block your AutoCAD setup. End any msiexec.exe processes you find, then close Task Manager and try the installer again. Another important step is to restart the Windows installer service. Press Windows and R on your keyboard, type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Installer. Right-click it, choose Restart, and then wait a moment for the service to refresh. This can clear a locked installer state and help AutoCAD run normally. You should also make sure no other installers or updates are running at the same time. Check whether Windows Update is downloading or installing anything in the background because that can trigger the same error. If another update is active, let it finish before launching AutoCAD again. After that, right-click the AutoCAD installer and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the setup the permissions it needs and can help avoid installation conflicts caused by limited access. If you still run into the error, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Sometimes security software blocks or interferes with installation processes, especially larger programs like AutoCAD. Just remember to turn it back on after the install is complete. If none of those steps work, try a clean boot. A clean boot disables startup apps and non-Microsoft services, so Windows starts with only the essentials. That helps you identify whether another background program is causing error 1618. Once your system is in a clean boot state, run the AutoCAD installer again and see if it completes successfully. The key thing to remember is to avoid running multiple installers at the same time. That's one of the most common causes of error 1618. And it can happen with software installs, updates, or even repair processes running quietly in the background. So to recap, wait a few minutes, restart your PC and any msiexec.exe processes, restart Windows installer, check for other updates, run the installer as administrator, temporarily disable antivirus, and use a clean boot if needed. Following these steps should fix the issue in most cases and get AutoCAD installing properly again. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy troubleshooting guides.